Have you ever wondered how the Invisible Man does makeup? Is there no more makeup remover? Oh no! What do I do? You can always borrow some from your roommate. But if your roommate is the Invisible Woman, taking her makeup without asking first is a bad idea. It has special components for invisible skin. Oh no! My cheek! Why are you screaming? Holly, I warned you not to use my makeup. Now you'll have a hole in your face. Did you finally decide to brush your teeth? But your toothbrush can't handle it? Get ready to be amazed! The Flash toothbrush will quickly brush your teeth, even in the hard-to-reach spots. Paint an electric toothbrush red. Make the Flash's logo from white and gold foam paper. Add a belt with gold acrylic paint. Coat the cap with red polish. Paint a helmet. Attach foam paper Flash logos to both sides. And color it with gold acrylic paint. Start with clean teeth and your life will change right away. The Flash toothbrush brushes your teeth at the speed of light. Your teeth will be clean in the blink of an eye. The Flash toothbrush will get you ready for a new life. I got you, Catwoman! Now you'll never get out! Sit in here! Oh, Wolverine! Can you help me? My claws are so blunt! Sure, no problem! Wolverine always has an express manicure kit with him. Make cuts in tactical gloves. Attach long nail files using black hot glue. Add another layer of hot glue on top. Copy on the other glove. Wolverine uses his claws, and Catwoman's nails are razor sharp again. Manicure! The shape is perfect! Thanks, honey! Now I can open the lock on the handcuffs, and Catwoman is free again! This is a burglar of the galaxy, but her steady hands can't help her do straight eyeliner. Hey, Rocket! Help me with my perfect disguise! Wrap an eyeliner container in light clay. Shape a raccoon head. Add a nose made from black clay. And eyes. Create a pattern on the muzzle with acrylic paint. Coat the eyes and nose with acrylic polish. The operation failed! I'll have to hide from the police! You are under arrest! Take your mask off! What? Rocket? You look different! Great! Run! Hello! You are watching Gamora's makeup vlog! And today, I'll show you how to create a quick makeup look for green skin. I have a special palette from Yves Saint Green Piece. Clean an old palette. Put different shades of green eyeshadow in the cells. Add a few drops of rubbing alcohol and even out the eyeshadows with a modeling tool. Let them dry. Coat the lid of the palette with green polish. Attach a printed picture of Gamora on top. First off, I'll start with my eyes. Take a green shade and apply it to the lid. I call this makeup look 50 Shades of Green! Thanks for watching, Gamora! See you in the next galaxy! This guy made a huge mistake! He stole Wonder Woman's makeup bag! That was a bad idea, buddy! Because Wonder Woman's whip is always by her side. Color a cord with gold spray paint. Make a little funnel from a piece of a plastic folder and put it into a clear eyebrow and eyelash gel bottle. Pour in gold makeup pigment. Cut the end of the cord with a heated knife. Cut out the inner part of the cord. Hot glue it to the tube cap. There you go! You are stuck here, my friend! Where's all my stuff? I think this is mine. 911? Come quick! I caught a thief! Where are they? Okay, let's wait. Why is it taking so long? What if we get ready? You know, you are so gloomy. Let's do your makeup. There's some mascara in my whip. Your beard is about to glow. Oh, officer, finally! Here's the thief. I want to go to prison. Just take me away from her. Phew! It looks like someone needs to take a bath. This leather jumpsuit isn't breathable. But all cats hate water, even Catwoman. Look, it's just a bath, and it's not scary at all. Fine, I'll have to distract her with a toy. I have a special bath bomb. Mix 6 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Pour in 1 spoon of olive oil and mix it well. Put in black makeup pigment. Stir. And add 4 tablespoons of citric acid. Fill a detachable bath bomb mold with it. Let it harden and put it into a plastic ball. Put a carabiner in the fastening. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Let's play. A bath bomb is also a toy for Catwoman. Yay! It worked! We managed to lure Catwoman into the bath. And it looks like she loves it. It's a foam party. Meow! Tommy's hands are dirty. He needs to wash them with soap, but there is only Venom Soap in here. I wonder how it works. Mix 10 ounces of liquid soap with 5 ounces of slime glue. Add black soap coloring. Stir. Put in baking soda and 1 teaspoon of borax. Mix the slime well. Put it in a jar. Color the cap with acrylic paint. Add drips of black hot glue. Attach a printed picture of Venom. Oh no! Help! Venom is eating me! No! Go back to your own planet! Give me my hand back! Hey, Tommy, have you never seen slime soap before? A picnic under a tree! How romantic! Have an orange. Whoops! I accidentally smudged my lipstick. What do I do? am Groot. Oh wow, thanks! Wrap a lipstick cap in polymer clay. Press in hollows with a modeling tool. Create a tree trunk texture. Boil the cap for 15 minutes. Color the clay with acrylic paint to be the same shades as a tree trunk. This wooden lipstick saved my date! Thanks, Groot! You are so sweet! I am Groot! Did you like our superhero makeup ideas? Then comment below which one you'd copy at home. Gamora eyeshadow, Groot lipstick, or Venom soap? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new superhero makeup ideas from Troom.